In front of me is Google Pixel 4a, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select apps and notifications, and here click on see all apps. Now just mark more icon, and here you will notice reset app preferences. Just click on it, and if you truly want to reset app preferences, and these are disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any other permission restrictions, just click on reset apps. And that's it, you've just performed this operation, so congrats, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.